Built for professional contractors who rely on their miter saws day in and day out. Introducing the new Makita LS1018. It's the latest in Makita's expanding lineup of best-in-class miter saws. The LS1018 weighs only 43.7 pounds for added job site portability. Pros demand accuracy, and the linear ball bearing system is engineered to deliver smooth, dead-on accuracy, cut after cut. At 90 degrees, the LS1018 has a full 12 inches of cross-cutting capacity with 8.5-inch capacity at 45 degrees. The saw miters 0 to 47 degrees left and 0 to 60 degrees right, and bevel cuts from 0 degrees to 45 degrees left and right. The ergonomic rubberized handle design with larger trigger has a better fit for added comfort. It's powered by a direct drive 13-amp motor with soft start, so you'll get smoother startups and constant power with no belts to slip or replace. Get the cutting performance and accuracy for the most demanding jobs. Get the LS1018 10-inch dual slide compound miter saw from Makita.
Introducing a mightier miter saw by SKILSAW. The 12-inch worm drive dual bevel sliding miter saw, featuring SKILSAW's legendary worm drive gearing, and powered by a 15-amp dual field motor that stays cool on the job. Streamlined with the motor balanced at the top and built with magnesium motor housing, it's the lightest of its class, so it's easy to transport and set up. The convenient miter scale with preset detents ensures precise miter settings and make both left and right cuts simple and repeatable. LED shadow light casts a shadow, aligning the cut line for true cuts every time. 14-inch cross-cut capacity lets you handle any cut on the job site, up to 4 by thickness. When the job calls for longer materials, the built-in table extensions ensure the workpiece is flat, and the vacuum port helps to keep a clean work site. Cutting crown molding nested is quick and easy with the crown stops. You can also cut crown molding in the flat with the adjustable positive stops to ensure a precise bevel angle. And the locking blade depth stop makes cutting dado and lap joints quick and easy. Feel the might with SKILSAW. The SKILSAW 12-inch worm drive dual bevel sliding miter saw. Stay true.
Unrivaled durable precision, unparalleled smoothness, unquestionable breakthrough. Introducing the 12-inch dual bevel axial glide miter saw from Bosch. Another game-changing innovation from the leader in professional tools. The new axial glide miter saw is more than a new way to cross-cut, bevel, and miter. It's an engineering breakthrough that delivers significant advantages over traditional miter saws. The innovation begins with our patented axial glide system, which incorporates a robust cast aluminum arm and sealed ball bearings, working in tandem with the soft fence, base, and controls to achieve unprecedented durability and precision. By eliminating the rails, the axial glide system does away with rail deterioration from repeat use and abuse. So time-consuming recalibration is a thing of the past, and accuracy is never in doubt. The glide saw's innovative railless design also dramatically reduces the tool's depth to achieve an amazingly compact footprint, up to 12 inches smaller than competitive saws, so it works easily in tight spaces or even right against a workspace wall. Best of all, no other miter saw feels like the axial glide, delivering the ultimate in smooth glide action and control at all angles, especially on compound cuts. And its distinctive design assures that same smooth precision, cut after cut, year after year, for the life of the tool. The new glide saw also delivers a major advantage in cutting capacity. up to 14 inches for crosscuts and 6.5 inches for molding. So whether cutting base or crown molding, dimensional lumber or 4x4s, its expanded capacity means more work in less time with single cut precision. Another award-winning innovation, Upfront bevel controls located on the front of the saw, eliminates the awkward reach to the rear of the saw and makes bevel adjustments quick and easy. Just lift the bevel lock lever and tilt the head. Adjust for right bevel. It's that simple. The Glide Saw's square lock quick release sliding fences also allow one-touch adjustment for extra support on bevel cuts, while its cast-in scales provide at-a-glance reference for repeat cuts, and removal is just as easy. The Axial Glide is also the only saw on the market with integrated expanding base extensions that provide up to 40 inches of added support for long pieces, 60% more than competitive saws. A large, easy-to-read bevel scale provides quick reference indicators for all common, crown, and roof angles, while the stainless steel miter scales and 10 positive miter detents allow speedy adjustment for the most common miter cuts, and a push-button miter
Durability. DEWALT has been in the miter saw business for decades, and we've designed this saw to withstand the test of time. Our rigorous testing process pushed features such as our miter saw detent plate to the max. We performed tens of thousands of cuts without losing accuracy. Features like these and our reinforced two-piece guard make DEWALT miter saws the brand preferred by professionals.